In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert a PNG image into Canva the right way. First, make sure you have your PNG file saved on your computer. If you downloaded it from the internet, confirm it is actually a PNG file, especially if you want a transparent background. Now open Canva and log into your account. From the dashboard, click Create a Design and choose any format you need, such as Instagram post, presentation, or custom size. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left side panel and click Uploads. Then click Upload Files. A window will open where you can select the PNG file from your computer. Choose the file and click Open. Wait a few seconds for it to upload. After it finishes uploading, you will see the PNG inside your Upload section. Click on the image or drag it directly onto your canvas. It will instantly appear in your design. You can now resize it by dragging the corner handles, move it anywhere on the page, rotate it, or layer it with text and other elements. If your PNG has a transparent background, it will blend smoothly with any background color or image. That is it. Your PNG image is now inserted and ready to use. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.